Iyabo Ojo has petitioned CP Uche over Barry Darkman's access to the interrogation room. And VDM had the effrontery to launch that petition, and he said that this petition na suya paper. My question is, what does VDM have on the Nigerian police force? What does he have? Who is giving him that backing in the Nigerian police force? This is somebody that has worn police uniform in this country. Nothing happened to him. This is somebody that categorically said that the Deputy Inspector General of Police, they are sleeping with Bobrisky. Nothing happened to him. This is somebody that the EFCC has picked. Till today, we have not heard anything. What does he have? Who is backing him up? How can you mock somebody's petition and say that it is suya paper? Who are you?
They can't learn. They will learn the hard way.